How to do spot trading on OKX. So if you want to do spot trading on OKX, there are a couple of steps that you might want to understand here. First of all, you want to open up the OKX app, and this is the kind of interface you will see. Tap on the multiple dots icon from the top left of the screen, and here you will see all these sorts of options here. Right under trade, there are different type of trading. Now before you get to spot trading, I would recommend that you do some demo trading over here. So if you don't know how to trade for real, you can go to demo trading and learn a bit of tutorials and just apply them in the real spot life. So here you can simply go to the spot option here. Now here you can simply choose the currency or the cryptocurrency for which you want to do spot trading. It could be Bitcoin, USDT, USDC, Ethereum, Litecoin, or BNB Smart Chain, or something like that. Now here you will see all the charts in the candle format, and similarly if you tap on the three dots, you will see all the quick access. Here you'll be able to see your transfers, your trades, and your trading data, the fee rules, documentation, trade academy, and some tutorials if you want to take a look at them properly. Then right here you'll be able to see assets and bots. If you've made any orders whenever you are trying to buy or sell something, you'll find those orders over here. And if you tap on this option, you'll also be able to see all of your orders history, your open orders, your assets and transactions, and so on. So this way you'll be able to do spot trading on OKX. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.